The home inspection software works with one person or multiple people. And let me show you where you can manage your team. So you go over to the left-hand side, you click team, and here's my Big Ben Inspections company and the team that I have. And so what we have are I'm the owner right there, and Bogdan, manager, and also an inspector. And there's Mrs. G, she's on staff, and then we have 3 full-time inspectors. And you could change the role of everyone. So I'll show you what that looks like. So it's just profile stuff, and then contact information, login stuff like passwords. And then there's the permission levels. So if you're the owner, you can just click that. Or if you don't want this person to schedule themselves, it has to go through someone else. You can toggle that off. If you don't want them to publish reports on their own, you can toggle that off and just click Save Changes. And this software works with multiple inspectors, and I'll show you that in another video.